Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, welcome to English materials. Today, I'm going to explain about causative sentence. Causative, we have three verbs that we are going to discuss. Causative using have, get, and make. What is causative? Causative sentence indicate that to have or to order someone to do something or something to be done by someone. So if we want to order something to do if we want to order someone to do something, jika kita ingin menyuruh seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu hal, we can use causative have, can, or make. Look at the example. There are two basic causative structures. We have passive forms and we have active forms. But first, I'll explain active forms. Okay, we have for meminta, makes, force, like memaksa, get, persuade, merayu, and so on. So you can use all of them based on the situation that you want to use. This is for active form using have. Okay, that's the patterns that we have to read. Like example, I have you clean my car. She has her sister sweep the floor. If you use subject I, so you have to use have. Are you, they, we. If subject she, he, it, or the name of people, you have to use has in simple present. But if simple past, you can use had and etc. You can read by yourself, right? For active forms. This is for passive form. In passive form, you have to put object after has or have. Like Fari always has his shoes cleaned. After object of things, you have to use past participle. In Indonesia, past participle we can say verb 3. So like speak, spoke, spoken. So you have to use verb 3 past participles. But remember, you have to memorize irregular verb and regular verb. You have to understand both of them. I think you can read by yourself for the sentences. This is using make. Okay, an active form you can like using have, right? A teacher makes the student work in a group in active form. Guru menyuruh siswa mengerjakan dalam kelompok. She made her brother buy some food. Dia perempuan menyuruh kakaknya, adik laki-lakinya membeli beberapa makanan in active form. But in passive form, object things you have to put after make. Like a teacher makes the task done. Okay, after object of things, so you have to use past participle in a sentence. I think it's easy. Now we go to our discussion using get. Causative sentence using get. It's a little bit different when we use have and make. In a causative using get, you can read the patterns, the formula, subject, cat, object of persons, and to infinitive. In previous explanation, after object of people we can use bare infinitive, but here we can use to infinitive. Means to infinitive means using to before verb. For example, Rose get her son to tidy, because using get after persons, and you have to use to infinitive to tidy. I got you to come to my house. But if you use have, Rose has her son tidy his room up. But if you use cat, so you have to use to infinitive after person. How about in passive voice? In passive voice, is like it's same with have and makes, like the patterns. The student get the class dismissed. Mother get the soap hated. So after object of things, so you have to use past participle. Okay, other causative verbs. Okay, you can use a let my sister let me watch movie. It's a kind of uh, causative verbs, causative sentence. And you can also use allow, permit, want, or ask. Look at the example and also the formula. You can Ahmad help his sister to do homework, or I allow my sister go home, I mean, like permit, want, I want you to blah blah blah. So you can use the structures in causative when you ask someone to do something. Okay, this is exercise. I think you can do at home. Try to write and speak by yourself, and remember, after you make causative in active form, so you have to move directly in passive form. Okay, I think it's easy to understand. You just read and understand and practice. Okay, the wise word today. Okay, this I have it. Today is the day to learn something new. If you learn something new, you will have more knowledge. I think that's all my presentation today. If you have any question, you can text me, or you can WhatsApp and everything, email and Twitter or something. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.